Squad, I'm back with another video, but in today's video we are going to unbox something mystery, but I will not tell you now. Let's show you in 1, 2, 3. It's bubble wrap. So in today's video, guys, we are going to put this all bubble wrap in this full side, and we will, as you know, I'll do many tests. So let's meet you after means bye. So guys, presenting here the Mr. Car joins the video, and this is the bubble wrap road in which we are going to go. Oh no! Wait a minute, guys. Let me do it little bit more near so it looks more nice. And let's fold this part. It is not in use. Yes, now we are ready. So let's go. 3, 2, 1. Wait, guys, did you subscribe my channel? If not, so subscribe first before these all bubbles pop. So let's do in 3 and like the video also, guys. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that was so loud. Really, guys. So let's now do the second test. I told you that there are many tests, so it will be now throwing test. So first I'm going to throw a normal box. 1, 2, 3. That did little damage. I did not throw it in full force. Let's do in 3, 2, 1, full force. Nothing. So now let's keep this in a side. And now let's do my normal walking test. Wow, that was so comfy. Now let's do running. That was very fast. So now let's do the fourth test. Fourth. Because the third test was walking, and the fourth test was running. So now let's show you the fifth test in 3, 2, 1. So now guys, the fifth round is very easy. It is a small tiny ball from which my cat Muiza play. So let's do it in 3, 2, 1. That did a lot damage. Did you listen that? So you can do replay for again. And the sixth round is basketball. So let's do in 3, 2, 1. Oh, that was very loud. So now let's again do 3, 2, 1. It feels so comfortable walking on this, like really. Ooh. So now let's show you the the seventh and final round bar. So now guys, the fifth round is this sniper toy gun, and this is its bullet right here. I will use only one bullet, so let's put this camera like in stand. And I'm keeping this box for this stand. I hope you can see me. Hello. So let's load this gun. Let's keep this camera a little bit of side. Now you can see. Let's put this right. Okay, now let's do this. And wait, this is already loaded. 1 means 3, 2. Oh no, the bullet fell down. Oh no, wait a minute, guys. I need to put the bullet again, and I am bored. So this is the final round versus the bubble wrap. So let's catch the camera from one hand, and let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do in 3. Wait. 3, 2, one. Uh, that did nothing damage. Not damage. No damage. Let's keep this gun aside and let's change the round because it's none, nothing. So now next round, not next round, this round is the scissors. Let's do 3 to 1. That did not did a lot damage, so let's keep this item in the box. So 1 minute, guys. So guys, comment down below which item did the most damage. This, oh. So now let's do sudden death. Wait, let me work on this. So let me show you the sudden death weapon. So guys, I'm using my hole punching glove for the sudden death. And now let's hear the camera. Let's do 3, 2, 1. Nothing. Let's do in this small bubble wrap. Nothing. That did just nothing. Useless. I hate this thing. Let's now yeeks it. Yeeks. Now I'm getting my next item because that was absolutely bad. So guys, the next item is not strong. Let me first set up this again. And this next item is, wait, let me show you. This is weak because I took little time only. I took half an hour or 25 minutes to make it now. So now we are going, what is here do is we'll roll it and roll it. So let's do it 3, 2, 1. Wait. Ooh. That did like, oh. Let's keep the camera here. Oh, seriously guys, this did like little bit of damage. Now final. Nothing. And guys, let's also add this item and that glove which I used it. Let's keep this here. So now let's walk. So now guys, comment down below if I do more videos with this Mr. Bubble Wrap, because he told me that Hamdan, destroy as much as you can to me. I was just joking. If you want, then comment down below. If you not, then no problem. And comment down below some video ideas. So bye guys, let's meet you in the next round. So guys, the next item is this scooter, and I'm going to stand on this and drive it. So let's do 3, 2, 1. Oh, so let's add this item also, and now let's do it reverse. Let me stand. I will not stand. I will walk behind. Means I think so. Car or means so now guys, comment down below who won this full battle with this bubble wrap. So let's do one test, last test, then I will means like not irritate you. So one, I am going to jump like bunny. So let's do it. 3, 2, 1. That let me put like this. That did a lot damage to me. So now let's test one last thing. Not one last. This is the last and final thing. Then I will like to close the video. So the last item is this. So let's this stick, walking stick. So let's do 3, 2, 1. That did like nothing, but then also I will add it in the destroy items because it did like more damage than this gun. This. So now let's show you what items should you comment down below. Not should. So I am the first item. I jumped, walked, and run. And this is the second item, boxing gloves. This is third item, sniper toy gun. This is fourth item, small ball. This is fifth item, box. This is sixth item, the sixth item, ball. Seventh item, scissors. Eighth item, this cover. Ninth item, this car. 10th item, this scooter. 11th item, this 11th item, just walking stick. So if I'll do one more test, then it will be my school roll number. So let's do roll number 12. I am. So let's meet you in like last round. And the last round will be very, 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 very hard for this bubble wrap to survive. So let's show you in 1, 2. And guys, the final item is me only. And what I'm going to do is see. Now let's sit and let's roll this. Roll. Just roll it. Rolex. Roll. So now what I am going to do is fold it, and now I am going to sit. 3. Wait, let me do it. 2, 1. Wait, what? 3, 2, 1. What? Are you kidding? Now I am now serious. So I don't think so my sitting damage means my sitting did not did a lot damage to this bubble wrap, but it did damage to myself. So now guys, it is 12th item is me, and the 13th item is this one thing. Nah, just joking. Now I am very tired because I ran took all the items for only this video. So if you like this video, so make sure to subscribe and like if you love bubble wraps. If you're not, then also like and subscribe. And if you're new, then subscribe my channel to join the HK squad. Bye guys. And guys, one more thing that I will try to make a Free Fire in real life video in another challenge. So guys, like and subscribe my channel. So bye.